Hello everyone, my name is Maggie. Welcome to my channel. This is a place which is all about accounting and finance. Landing your first accounting job can feel exciting but also overwhelming. Don't worry, you are in the right place and I'm here to assist you. In this video, I will share the top 4 accounting job interview questions for entry-level candidates. And I will give you sample answers so you can use to structure your answers with confidence. And make sure to stick around until the end because I will share some bonus interview preparation tips that can give you an extra edge. Okay, let's get started. The first question you will almost always get is, tell me about yourself. I highly recommend to mention the following in your answers: education and qualification, experience, and career goals. Education and qualification. We can include the university degrees and professional qualifications in the answer. If you are currently studying towards your professional qualification, it's worth to add in it as well. Experience. It's valuable to add internship, graduate program experience, and professional experience, or even training experience counts. Career goals. The employer wants to know why you want to be an accountant and your career motivation. Remember, keep your answers in 4 to 6 sentences. Let's look at the sample answer together. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to be interviewed for the graduate accountant position with your company. I recently graduated with a Bachelor of Accounting from the University of ABC, where I developed a strong interest and knowledge in financial accounting and reporting. I am also studying towards my CPA and have successfully completed 3 courses so far. During university, I completed an internship at XYZ company where I gained exposure to the full month-end process, assisted with reconciliations, helped prepare financial statements. I enjoy problem solving and working with numbers, and I'm looking forward to starting my career in accounting and finance, where I can continue developing my technical skills and contribute to a team. The second question, why did you choose accounting? This question checks your motivation and long-term interest in accounting. The interviewer keen to know your interest and passion in accounting, your skills and capabilities, and your career plan. Interest and passion. We can mention that we are interested in numbers and good at problem solving. We need to show the technical skills and interpersonal skills in our answers. For career plan, we need to show them our long-term career plan. For example, we are committed to the role and the organization and wish to become a senior role in financial reporting. Please note, there are a couple of mistakes to avoid. Making it only about money, because it is a stable job and pays well. Family decision. My family believe it is a good occupation. And no passion. I studied accounting in university, so I choose it for my occupation. Here is a sample answer. I've always very good with numbers and analyzing data. Also, what excites me about accounting is how it helps to understand businesses' performances, manage risks, and make better decisions. Choosing accounting as my career fits my strengths in attention to details and critical analysis. That is the reason I see it as the right career path for me. I'm particularly interested in the graduate accountant role at your company, as I can see a clear career development opportunity here. And I'm motivated to commit my effort long term to grow together with your team. The third question is a very common technical question. What is the difference between cash accounting and accrual accounting? A good answer should cover what is cash accounting? What is accrual accounting? Give a quick example. And what are the differences between the two? I also shared a sample answer. Cash accounting records income and expenses only when money changes hands, while accrual accounting records them when money is earned or an expense is incurred, regardless of when cash is received or paid. For example, under cash accounting, if the company issues an invoice this month but don't get paid until next month, the company would record the revenue next month. Under accrual accounting, the revenue is recorded when invoice issued, that is, when the service was provided in this month. Accrual accounting gives a more accurate view of a company's financial performance, which is why it's required for larger organizations. Smaller businesses sometimes use cash accounting because it's simpler. Here is another frequently asked question. How do you stay organized and meet deadlines? We need to know why the employer asks this question. Because they want to understand your workload management and prioritization skills, your attention to details, and your speed plus accuracy. And also, accounting is a deadline-driven work. A good answer should focus on the tools you use. For example, calendar, Excel, checklists, project management apps. Give an example. We break big tasks into smaller steps, show the review progress, and make a conclusion. What was the outcome and what you achieved? Here is a sample answer. I always make sure I prioritize my work and daily tasks to meet deadlines. For example, during my internship, I was responsible for reconciling several clients' bank account statements during month end. The challenge was that the transaction volume was large and the deadline was strict. To save time, I planned ahead and began performing semi-reconciliations in the middle of the month. I used an Excel tracker to monitor progress for each client, highlighting queries in yellow and completed reconciliations in green. I regularly reviewed my tracker and followed up on outstanding items to resolve them quickly. As a result, I consistently submitted the bank reconciliations on time. This experience gave me confidence that with careful planning and organization, I can meet deadlines effectively, even under pressure. Okay, now I'm sharing some bonus tips. It will help you to be more confident when preparing an interview. Practice, practice, and practice. We can practice in front of a mirror. Slow down your speed. Smile with confidence. Always research the company, including the company's history, recent news, corporate values, team structures, and your interview's background. And prepare a few smart questions to ask the interviewer. It can be about the company's future, the team and culture, the role, and training and development. So these are the top 4 accounting job interview questions for entry-level candidates, along with sample answers and bonus tips. Remember, employers aren't just looking for technical knowledge. They also want to see your motivation, your communication skills, and how you will fit in the team. If this video helped you, please give it a thumb up. Subscribe for more career tips, and let me know in the comments which interview questions you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your interview. You've got this.